Sai Ram. Hello, how are you? All of you? Fine? Yes. Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. You are watching Let's Learn English series and the articles continuation part 4, and your instructor name is Mrs. Kalpana Heblikar. Yes. Welcome all of you. Yes. Now, let's learn to make some more sentences using indefinite article an. So, in the last class, we had done the indefinite article an continuation now. Okay. So, those of you who want some more sentences, you can follow the previous lessons. Yes. I have an idea. Now, let us slowly recap how it is. An is used in, yes, 5 vowels. A, E, I, O and U. A is used before a consonant word. Okay. So, I have an idea. So, A, E, I. Yes, idea. Very good. He has an ink pad. So, I-N-K, ink. So, I is a vowel. Okay. So, he has an ink pad. Yes, very good. She is an intelligent girl. Okay. So, why an intelligent girl? She is an intelligent girl. Very good. So, intelligent, I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T, intelligent. So, this is intelligent is a new word. So, please make a note of it. Okay. On the side, you have to write all difficult words I told you. So, intelligent, I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T, intelligent. Now, one more thing I want to tell. Those of you, now see, online classes means it goes to all the language people, right? So, different mother tongues. So, all of us will have dictionary. So, it's like Hindi to English or English to Hindi, okay? So, you take a dictionary which is your English to your mother tongue. So that when you type intelligent, no, over there when you see intelligent, the meaning of that word will come. So, you will understand more better, okay? So, intelligent means very clever, intelligent, I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T. Yes, some of you are saying you don't know how to see the dictionary. In the next class, I will be teaching you how to see the dictionary, okay? So, don't worry. Here in this series, that is Let's Learn English, you are going to learn everything from beginning, everything, right from the alphabet, sounds, vowels, consonants, making words, how to sound the words, and then now we are come to making sentences. After making sentences, now some of you raised where to write a, an and the. See, now you are asking intelligent questions, right? So, we have started with articles, okay? So, let us continue with that, and after the articles, I will take how to see the dictionary and how you should read a newspaper also, okay? Very interesting, right? Yes. And be ready to play a very, very intelligent game, okay? Yes. She is an intelligent girl. Yes. Now, I have an interesting story to tell you. Come soon. So, you want to tell your friend, come soon. I want to tell you something very, very interesting. So, that interesting is starting with I. So, I is a vowel. Yes. I have an. So, before vowel, you should put an. Blindly, you put an. A-N-An. I have an interesting. Let us study this spelling. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-I-N-G. Interesting. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-I-N-G. Interesting. Yes, very good. Now, she has an ink pen. Okay. She has an ink pen. I have a ball pen. Now, why a ball pen and why ink pen? An ink pen. Now, let us see. She has an ink pen. So, ink is I-N-K. So, what is I? I is a vowel. Yes. I have a ball pen. So, what is B-A-L-L? What is ball pen? So, B is consonant. So, before B, you should put A. And before I, that is vowel letter, we should put an. Very good. So, now a spider is an dash insect. Now, tell me. Yes, very good. A spider is an insect. Okay. The spider is an insect. Yes. Why an insect? Because I is a one of the vowel. Yes. This dress is an inch longer. An inch longer. You know, inches? Yes, an inch longer it is. Okay. This dress is an inch longer. Some of you want to wear dresses very tight. Okay. So, they don't want half inch also loose. They want very tight stuck to their body. So, they are saying this dress is an inch longer. Okay. So, you want it less. So, you are saying an inch. I-N-C-H. I is again a vowel. Very good. Yes. Listen all of you. There is an important announcement. Now, the teacher or your some colleague wants to tell you in the office, or a teacher in the school wants to tell, attention please. Yes, all of you listen here. I want to do an announcement. So, listen all of you there. You there means all of you. Yes, there is an important announcement. An important. So, why an? It's important starts with the letter of the vowel I. Okay. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. Then announcement. A-N-N-O-U-N-C-E-M-E-N-T. Announcement. A-N-N-O-U-N-C-E-M-E-N-T. Announcement. Yes. Now, we are not going to say with sounds because by now you should know how to say. But still, if somebody doesn't know, let me know. A. See, A has 4 sounds. Okay. So, this A will come here. A, N. So, 2 N. So, you don't have to say N. Okay. Announce. Announce. A-N-N. So, it is 1 N. O. U. That is U. N. S. E. M. That is M. E. N. T. See, announcement. Okay. So, C here is again 2 sounds. What are the sounds? K and S. So, now it is S. It is not K. It is not announcement. Okay. It is announcement. Understood? Yes, very good. See, all of you are very intelligent. Yes, this is an iron box. Yes, very good. So, you have told the answer. Why it is an? Because it starts with I. I is a vowel. Very good. Okay. Now, we go to some other sentences with an only. So, because why we are doing, see, one question somebody asked me, ma'am, why we are doing so many sentences? Is 5 enough? No, it is not enough. You should do more and more sentences. And I know if I tell you, I will tell you 5 sentences and you go home and do another 5 sentences, you will not do. You will do? No. So, I am only doing for you. Okay. So, he won an Oscar award. An Oscar award. Now, all this time we finished A, E. Now, I also finished. Now, we are coming to O. Okay. The 4th vowel letter O. So, he won an Oscar. O-S-K-A-R. Oscar award. Then, an ocean has no shores. Now, what do you mean by no shores? You cannot see the starting of the ocean and the ending of the ocean. Yes, last time I had told you that what you remind? Yes, when you say about the ocean, what you remember is below the ocean there is complete silence. Okay. And above the ocean there are a lot of waves and everything. So there is lot of noise, you know, even the ships going and coming, and there is lot of sound above the ocean. But deep down the ocean, it is full of silence. So too, our mind is very calm and quiet inside. But above, means when we are talking to each other, when we are looking around and all, there is so many thoughts going. So many noise, that is mental sound is coming. Yeah. And so we cannot hear what God is saying. So I told you where the God stays. Yes, he stays in our heart. Okay. So what is the distance between heart and our mouth? Yes, 5 fingers. So within a crack of a second, you know, before I tell crack of a second, he has already reached your mouth. Okay. So he is waiting to talk to you. Okay. He is waiting to talk to us when he or she will talk to me. Okay. So God is also feeling alone in our heart, right? So we have to continuously talk to him. So when we talk to him, he will be answering us, and it is only in the depth of the silence the voice of God will be heard. Okay? Yes, all of you understood this clearly? Yes. So we have to understand these small things which I am telling about spirituality, about God. You know, you should understand properly. If you don't understand, you ask me, because these are the things which will take you in your life further. Okay. So whenever you see ocean, you will remember my English ma'am told me that down the ocean there is calm and quiet. So my mind should be calm and quiet always. Okay. Yes, very good. I have taken an oath to talk less. Yes. What is the meaning of oath? I have taken a promise. So instead of saying promise, we are going to use a nice English word. Okay. So it is called oath. O-A-T-H. Very good. So I have taken. I have taken an oath. Why? O-A-T-H. It starts with O, and O is a vowel. Very good. An oath to talk less. Yes, I'm going to talk less from today. Okay. Yes, very good. I have an oven to bake the cake. Now, what is oven to bake the cake? Where it is like a small box, you know, and it can be kept in our kitchen for making small cakes, buns and everything. Your mom will be knowing. Okay. So I have an oven to bake the cake. Very good. Then my father is an orthosurgeon. Now, what do you mean by orthosurgeon? Orthosurgeon means orthopedic. Orthopedic means regarding the bones. Okay. So any bones or anything, when we fall down or something like that, there is a pain in the bone, we don't go to the general doctor. We go to the orthopedic surgeon. Surgeon, it is a sense he is better qualified. So he is called surgeon. So orthopedic doctor is also there. And if he is more qualified, okay, then he is called as a surgeon who does operations and all that. So my father is an orthopedic surgeon. So he is a big man. Okay. So we have to give a respect for him. Okay. My father is an orthopedic surgeon. Understood all of you till now? Yes, very good. Now, ortho and surgeon and oven are new words for us. Okay, write down. We will repeat now only. O-V-E-N, oven. O-V-E-N, oven. Okay, ortho, O-R-T-H-O, ortho. O-R-T-H-O, ortho. So, how are you going to pronounce? O-R-T-H-O, ortho. Okay. Surgeon. S-U-R-J-E-O-N. Surgeon. Now, see, G has got two sounds, right? What are they? J and G. So, surgeon, J. So, as in ginger. Okay. We said ginger. So, it is like J. Okay. So, the second sound of G is J. Understood all of you? Yes, very good. I have an oats packet with me. Do you want it? So, now you are on a diet spree, you know. So, you are going to eat only healthy food. So, you are not going to have, you know, all these oily dosas and, you know, samosas and all. You are not going to eat. You are going to eat only healthy food like oats, okay? You are going to mix little honey, then you are going to mix little curds or milk in the oats, okay? And then boil it little. Then afterwards you can put little vegetables, or if you want fruits also to add to it, taste to it. So I have an oats packet. So you're telling your friend, I have an oats packet. Do you want it? Yes. So if you want to see, these are all simple sentences. You can make use of other words also. Now, if you want to tell that you have a biscuit packet, you can't say an biscuit, okay? So you use your head. When you want to say your friend that you want to give him a biscuit packet, you say, I have a biscuit packet. Why a biscuit packet? Can you tell me? Yes, a is, B is starting, letter is B. So B is a consonant. So before consonant, we are having a as this thing. And before vowels, we have an. Very good. I have an oats packet with me. Do you want it? Yes. I would like to eat an orange, please. An orange. Yes, very good. Then this is an oak tree. This is an oak tree. So O is, yes, vowel. Then he is an obedient boy. Obedient. See, this word is also new. Please make a note of it. O-B-E-D-I-E-N-T. Obedient. O-B-E-D-I-E-N-T. Obedient. Very good. Then it is an oval box. An oval box. So O is also, yes, a vowel. Okay. A-E-I-O. Yes, very good. Then now we come to the letter U, the last letter of the vowel. A finished, I finished, O finished, now E finished, and now U. Okay. A, E, I, O and U. So I have an umbrella. So you know the spelling of umbrella? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. So now the sound of U is as in a, umbrella. See, a. So an umbrella. Okay. Yes. See, now here it is a tricky word. See, U, A, E, I, O, U is also a vowel. Okay. But the sound is as a. So a is A. Okay. So an will always come. So I have a umbrella. So that time I had told you that in vowel H is also there, right? Sometimes. Now which is the H sound? Honor. H-O-N-O-R. Honor. Okay. So a. The sound is a, right? So an honor it will come. Okay. Yeah. It is an honor to meet you. Okay. So you are happy to meet somebody and you are saying it is an honor to meet you. Yes. She has an uniform for her school. She has an uniform for her school. Okay. Yes. We both have an understanding on this topic. See, now there is one topic and there are two parties. Okay. And one party is saying this is not proper and the other party is saying this is proper. So you and your friend, okay, they are for that topic. So you are saying we both have an understanding. Okay, means we are agreeing for that on this topic. So we both have an understanding on this topic. Understood? Yes, very good. An, A-N, understanding, U-N-D-E-R-S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, understanding, U-N-D-E-R-S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, understanding, very good. Then she is an uplifted mood. She is in an uplifted mood. Means she is very happy. She is not in this world. You know, she is in a different world, we say, no? So she is very happy. So she is in an uplifted mood. Then this is an unique product. So what it is very different from the others. Okay. So now if you want some product, okay, like take some balls, tennis balls. Okay, there are a group of tennis balls and it is white in color, but one ball among them is red in color. Okay, so you say this is an unique product. Yes, this is an unique ball. Okay, so an unique ball. Very good. Then this is an unbelievable story. So you can't believe that, there is something different in this story. So it is an unbelievable story. So what is the word? Unbelievable. U-N-B-E-L-I-E-V-A-B-L-E. Unbelievable. Okay. Now you want an example of unbelievable? Yes. Now I am telling you a story and I am telling that, Dhruva was pushed by his father's men from the high cliff, and Lord Vishnu, he held him in his hand, okay, below the mountain. So it is really unbelievable, right? Do you believe if someone falls from the mountain and you believe that somebody holds it, is it believable? No, it is unbelievable story, but we have to believe, right? It has happened in the true story it is. So this is an unbelievable story, okay? Yes. Then here is an unbroken glass frame. So now I am searching for a glass frame which is not having a slight breakage also, okay? So you are showing me here is an unbroken glass frame, okay? Very good. Then this is an uplifting thought. That means it is a great thought. This is an uplifting thought. Yes. This is an unsung song, means which is not sung at all. It is not come out. Nobody has sung this. Only the song was written and kept. Okay. So this is an unsung song. Okay. Then we have, this is an unusual news. This is an unusual news. Okay. So we'll have a quick recap. I have an umbrella. She has an uniform for her school. We both have an understanding on this topic. She is in an uplifted mood. Very good. Then this is an unique product. This is an unbelievable story. Here is an unbroken glass frame. Then this is an uplifting thought. Very good. Yes, this is an unsung story. See how well you all are reading. I am very happy. This is an unusual news. Okay. So all of you are doing very well, and I suppose that all of you are spending 15 minutes of your time learning English with me, right? Let's learn English. Yes, it's a divine inspiration. So you have to learn, and you see very quickly you will learn because it is a divine inspiration. Yes. So thank you for watching our Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes for Let's Learn English. Thank you and see you very soon next time. Please visit Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online videos on YouTube and subscribe, and also put a bell icon. There is one bell icon over there. Press that, because next time any new videos come, then you will get her tingling sound. Yes, very good. Thank you very much.